A lot of our portable sawmillers do firewood as well. So we developed a firewood splitter ourselves. When we completed it, we were so impressed with it, we started manufacturing them, and we have struggled to keep up with demand. The machines are totally fabricated here in our yard. We use top quality steel. The knife is made with bisloy. It's a very hard product. They basically require virtually no maintenance at all. We use a German diesel, it's a Deutz, it's air cooled, very fuel efficient motor, 46 horse, good robust engine, that's for sure. The machine handles any sort of wood, knotty gum, pine, macrocarpa. There's basically nothing that it won't cut, and people do comment how the machine just seems to process anything. The reason it cuts everything is because the blade cuts progressively. It hits the block on a point, so it eases its way into the block with very little effort. Other contributing factor to that is also the lever advantage. It's pivoted at one end and the ram's at the other, so in the middle of your blade you're doubling the power of your ram with leverage. And because of the system, it puts a lot less pressure on the whole machine, so the hydraulics we generally only run at around 500 psi, which is very low pressure. The machine's extremely easy to use. It's WorkSafe compliant. One of the main safety features is the dual hand control. You've got to have a hand on both controls to bring the knife down, which forces you to take your hands off the block. The infeed's activated with that red paddle that you touch with your knee. So when you need more rings, you just touch it with your knee and the rings feed up onto the table. The table's got bearings throughout it, which makes it really easy to push your rings around and move them into the cutting head. We've designed the machine around cutting the optimum block size, and depending on how far you push the ring under the blade, it depends how thick a block you get. It basically cuts a very consistent product that you'll never get any complaints about. Once the timber's been split, it goes onto the elevator, which is all hydraulic, so you can adjust the height of your filling bins just with a push of a lever, and it goes across the top of a screen that screens a lot of the fines out. The reason people like them so much is they're so mobile. It takes 5 minutes to pack the machine up and away you go to your next job. We did a run a while ago and filled a 2 cube bin in about 10 minutes, which would equate to just on 12 cube an hour. Logging contractors buy them, people with firewood yards, people that just run around splitting for farms. Quite a big range of people buy them. It's extremely well built, and without a doubt it'd have to be the best in its class.